Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to update system software on DOOGEE Note 56 Pro. So first, go into Desk Settings and scroll all the way down. Here we have System, and we should have System Updates. Now, check for updates. It may take a while. Okay, now system update. Your device software is currently up to date. If you have an update available, then right here should be the update button and just hit it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.